Greetings, Kingdom Athletes. This is Coach Wentrcek with your 15-minute muscle maker. We're going to be doing a workout today called Core Mania. The things that you will need to accomplish this workout are either a medicine ball or a basketball or even another soup can, just like we did in our soup can sessions. Or if you have a very heavy textbook, you can utilize that for some of our core work. So we're going to start out our workout with some mobility, starting with high knees and power skips. And then we're going to move into bounce it. Then we're going to come into some PLYOS and movement. We're going to go to a rolling crunch to a vertical leap. We're going to go rolling crunch to horizontal leap. Then we're going to move into our strength phase, into Moravian widowmaker, plank with mountain climbers, and side plank. We're going to move into a speed session if we have time after that, with a rolling crunch to a 10-yard sprint, rolling crunch to a 10-yard side shuffle, rolling crunch to a 10-yard sprint and shuffle. So we're going to get started. I'm going to come over here and flip the slides, and we'll get started as soon as I do that. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're going to start out our workout today with some high knees to get warmed up. So we're going to step back, all right, so where we can move about 10 yards. We're going to get our knees up high, all right, and we're going to get our opposite arm up high. All right, here we go. Ready, go. All right, we're going to walk it back. Ready, go. We're going to walk it back again. Ready, go. One more time, walking it back. Ready, go. All right, wonderful. You're doing great. All right, we're going to move on into some power skips. When we do power skips, we're going for height. All right, so we're going to skip just like we're skipping down the road. All right, here we go. Ready, go. Knee high, arm high. All right, we're going to walk it back. Power skips again, knee high, arm high. Ready, go. All right, relax. Walk it back. You should be going about 10 yards, by the way. Ready, go. All right, one more. Ready, go. All right, now we're going to move into another warm-up exercise that we call bounce it. Now, we've done this on our Muscle Maker series before, all right? So we're going to get our legs wide. We're going to keep our feet planted on the ground, all right? We're going to bounce back and forth, pointing our knee one direction and the other. All right, this kind of opens up our groin a little bit, gets us ready to work. All right, make sure we don't pull anything. All right, we're going to point our right knee, keep our left foot on the ground. All right, now we're going to roll to the back of the heel. Toe should be pointed straight up. All right, we're going to go back. We're going to bounce it again. We want to stay low when we're bouncing. All right, we're going to point the other knee. Keep that opposite foot flat on the ground. Turn the toe up, heel down, hold it. Bounce it again. Point the knee, toe up. Bounce it again. Point the knee, toe up. Bounce it one more time. All right, relax. All right, now we're going to move into another exercise called the rolling crunch to vertical leap. All right, so when we do a rolling crunch, what we're doing is we're going to be on our back. All right, we're going to take our feet up off the ground. We're going to roll back to our shoulder blades, hit the ground. All right, and then we're going to come rolling back. Feet are going to hit the ground. All right, and we're going to crunch. We're going to sit up. All right, we're going to do that 4 times. All right, and then we're going to stand up and then go to a vertical leap, right? So when we go to a vertical leap, right, we're at a jump stance with our hands back. All right, we jump up as high as we can, all right, and then when we land, we bend our knees. All right, so it's going to look like this. This is a rolling crunch to vertical leap. Remember, 4 times on the rolling crunch, and then we go to vertical leap. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump stance, up, 4 of these, up, 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 relax. All right, we're gonna do that again. Rolling crunch to vertical leap. All right, here we go, on our back. 4 crunches to 4 vertical leaps. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a jump stance. Up, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4. All right, relax. We're gonna do that one again. Rolling crunch to vertical leap. Here we go. On our back. 4 of each. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump stance. Up, 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 up. Relax. All right, now we're going to move into a rolling crunch to a horizontal jump. All right, so instead of jumping vertically, we're going to jump horizontally. We'll go 4 crunches, 4 rolling crunches, and we'll stand up, get to our jump stance, and then we're going to jump horizontally. All right, so we jump horizontally, we start in our jump stance again. All right, we push out and up, we throw our hips. When we land, we sink hips to heels. All right, here we go. We're going to start out with the 4 rolling crunches into 1 horizontal leap. Here we go, on our back side. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump stance. Ready, go. Sink in. Relax. All right, we're going to do 2 more of those. All right, go back to your position on your backside. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stand up. Jump stance. Up. Sink hips to heels. Relax. All right, 1 more. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump stance. Ready, hop. Sink hips to heels. Relax. All right, now we're going to move into a strength phase of our exercise or of our workout. All right, and in this phase, we're going to be down on the ground. We need something weighted, preferably, I'm just checking the time to make sure we're okay. So preferably a medicine ball, even a basketball works with something weighted, textbook, something like that. All right, we're going to be doing Moravian Widowmakers. You need to get next to a wall, so you put your toes right there next to the wall. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to lean back, all right, toes on the wall, knees up. All right, we're going to take whatever it is that's weighted. All right, we're going to touch right here, right behind our hips. All right, we're going to touch the wall. Touch behind our hips and touch the wall. All right, we're going to do this 10 times. All right, and 1 rep would be touch, touch, touch. That's 1 rep. All right, here we go. Ready, go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 1. All right, we're going to go again. Touch, touch, touch. That's 2. Ready, go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 3. Ready, go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 4. Ready, go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 5. Ready, go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 6. Go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 7. Touch, touch, touch. That's 8. Touch, touch, touch. That's 9. Touch, touch, touch. That's 10. All right, now we're going to go the opposite direction. We're going to start on the opposite side where we started. We're going to do 10 more. Ready, go. Touch, touch, touch. That's 1. Touch, touch, touch. That's 2. Touch, touch, touch. That's 3. Touch, touch, touch. That's 4. Touch, touch, touch. That's 5. Touch, touch, touch. That's 6. Touch, touch, touch. That's 7. Touch, touch, touch. That's 8. touch, 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 that's 9. Touch, 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 that's 10. All right. Relax, stand up for a moment. All right, now we're going to move into our plank with a mountain climber. All right, our plank with a mountain climber. All right, keep working hard. We got about 5 more minutes. All right, plank with a mountain climber. So when we're planking, we're on the ground on our toes, and our elbows back is flat. All right, we're going to sit in the plank. When I tell you to go, all right, you're going to keep your hands down, but you're going to pump your feet, okay? So when we do this, it's going to look like this. All right, plank, mountain climb, go. Plank, mountain climb. Plank, mountain climb. All right, that's what it looks like. We're going to do this together. All right, ready? Plank, hold it, mountain climber, go. 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 Relax. All right, you should feel a lot of these things in your core and right around your back in those areas. All right, now we're going to move into a side plank. All right, when we side plank, we're leaning over sideways. All right, our body is straight. We have one arm to the ground and one arm up at times as well. All right, so we're going to do side planks. All right, here we go. Ready, go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Extend the arm up. Hold it, arm down. Extend the leg, hold it, leg down, arm up, hold it, arm down, leg up, hold it, leg down, relax. We're going to switch sides. Plank, or side plank, ready to go. Up, hold it, arm up, hold it, relax down, leg up, hold it, leg down, arm up, hold it, arm down, leg up, whoops, don't lose your balance. All right, down, relax. All right, that's our side planks. All right, we're going to finish up with a series of speed and quickness drills. We're still working some core. We're going to go 1 rolling crunch to a 10-yard sprint. All right, so we're going to roll with a crunch, get up. As soon as we get up, we're sprinting for 10 yards. I don't have 10 yards in here, but hopefully you do if you're doing this outside. All right, so we're going to do this together. All right, here we go. Rolling crunch to 10-yard sprint. Ready, go. Up, go. All right, now we're going to go rolling crunch to 10-yard shuffle. Here we go. Ready, go. Stand up, shuffle. Low, stay low. All right, we're going to rolling crunch to 10-yard shuffle the other direction. So if we started with our right, we're going to start with our left. Here we go. Ready, go. Shuffle, stand low, stay low, stay low. 10 yards. All right, we're almost done, y'all. Hang with us. All right, now we've got rolling crunch to sprint to shuffle back. Here we go. Ready, go. Sprint, shuffle back. All right, relax. Kingdom athletes, you did a great job today. Can't wait to see you again. Stay strong and leave a mark. We'll talk to you soon.